Hello, this is By Mohsin Azam Khan, your CFA tutor from 𝒑𝒔𝒊𝒔𝒏 Accountancy. Today I am delighted and excited as well to announce my new batch for CFA exams for all levels for 2024. My package is very unique, hence those students who are targeting success, please join us. My package number 1 consists of detailed lectures. Number 2, more importantly, I am available for query sessions, one-to-one queries. Number 3, I'm there for planning and planner assistance as well, what to do first, what to do second. Number 4, I'll be also providing you practice sessions in which I've solved some complex and technical MCQs. Number 5, I'll be providing you with some useful, very useful CFA material, which also includes my exam focused teacher notes. Along with that, I give this package a tagline that let the teacher be your study partner. So if you want to move towards success and explore CFA in a very different and interesting manner, please join our batch for 2024. Thank you.